This is questions 16, 18 and 19 in exercise 22.2 in Project Maths 2. We have to write down the first four terms of the sequence defined by the given nth term in each question. So we'll go to question 16 first, where the nth term is Tn equals n squared plus 2n. And what they're asking us to find is T1, which is the first term, T2, which is the second term, T3, which is the third term, and T4, which is the fourth term. So what we get in order to get T1 is you substitute 1 in to our T of n in place of n. So 1 squared plus 2 times 1, like that, which is 1 plus 2, and we just get 3. For T2, we're putting 2 in place of n. So we get 2 squared plus 2 times 2, which is going to be 4 plus 4, so we get 8. For T3, it's going to go 3 squared plus 2 times 3, which is 9 plus 6, so we get 15. And for T4, it's going to be 4 squared plus 2 times 4, which is going to be 16 plus 8, and that's going to be equal to 24. So that's the first four terms for 16. For 18, it's going to be a little bit less convenient. It's the same process, but with a less easy sum to manage. So we'll do these one at a time this time. So we got T1 is what we're going to get when we put 1 into the equation in place of n. So we're going to get 2 times 1 all over 1 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 2 over 2, which is just 1. So that's our T1. For T2, we're going to get 2 times 2 all over 2 plus 1, which is just equal to 4 over 3. Or if you want, that's going to be 1 and a third. For our next one, T3, that's going to be 2 times 3 all over 3 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 6 over 4, which is just 1 and a half. And then for T4, it's going to be 2 times 4 all over 4 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 8 over 5, which is going to be 1 and 3/5, like that. So as I said, same process, but a little bit less convenient to manage. And then for 19, we have the T of n is equal to 2 to the power of n. So it's the same process, even though the n is now in the position of a power. We're looking for T1, T2, T3, and T4. T1 is what you get when you put 1 in place of n, so it's going to be 2 to the power of 1, which is just equal to 2. T2 is what you get when you put 2 in, so you get 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. And then we're going to get T3 is going to be 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. And then T4 is going to be 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. And that is that.